Okay, so let us start today's class. Let me share the screen. Okay, so can you hear me? So today we will see about inserting a key element in the single linked list at any position. Insert at any position. So what do you mean by position? What do you mean by position? Suppose I will tell that you have to insert 17 after 20. Yes. So there is a okay. So let us say after 15. Okay. So let us say 17 is the key element you want to insert in the single linked list, which is given by this head node. Okay, this address is given by head. So in this linked list you have to add an element which are having value 17 after 15. So this shows my position, or I can say at third position I want to insert 17. What in way third? Head is the first position, then 15 is the second position, and then 17 will be inserted, then 20, then 22. But earlier linked list is having value like 12, 15, 20 and 22. So how do you do that? First you need a pointer or address. So better it is a reference. Okay, so that will pointing to the head node first, then it will jump or traverse to the next node, then next node, then next node. So how do you traverse? So how do you traverse? P is equal to P of next. Earlier P is equal to head, the start address, then P is equal to P next. Till how many node you have to traverse? Till you find the node. Suppose I want to insert it after 15. Okay, so P data is not equal to 15. So till that time P is equal to P next. You jump to the next node. Then you simply append this temp node to the next P of next, and then you can say temp of next is equal to P dot next dot next. Okay. So what is P of next of next? So first of all, okay, so you have to P of next will be 10, then now you have to assign temp of next. What will be temp of next? That will be P of next. Okay. Then this node will be T of next. Okay. Then it will traverse this one. And P of next will be this one. So these two commands will do that. P of next will be temp, and temp of next will be P of next. Okay. Is it okay? Now let us do that in program. So the concept part you understood? This concept, insert after some key element or after some element. Okay, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then you go to our next program. Okay, let us see. So already we have done insert at front, insert at rear. So now I will add another menu, insert at position. So this will be our fifth option, and exit condition will be 6. Exit option will be 6. This is our menu. Okay, so now this is our case 6, and we will have to write another condition, another switch case condition, where we have to write system dot out dot println insert after element, inserting key after element. Okay, so here I will call this method insert at position. And break. Now in the argument I have to pass two arguments. One is start and another element. Okay, you have to give this as the input. Okay, after which element you want to insert. Okay, and okay, so how do you define that element? So you just for time being just write insert at position. Now we have to write a method public static node insert at position node start. Okay, so int, this is our key element, and you have to define the position. Okay. We have initialized this value. Now you write system out println enter the key. This element I want to insert. Enter the key to be inserted. Then I will call this C naught I will take this from the console. This key value I will take from the console. Now another element is, now it will ask that out.println enter the element, enter the value after which key will be inserted. Okay. So this will be our position equals to, we will take another input. Now first of all I will start from the head node, start node. So node p is equal to null. I will take a null. Okay. Then p is equal to start node. Okay. And I want to create a node first. Which node? The node we want to insert. So I will create a node, temp is equal to new node, temp dot data will be our key value, and temp dot data next will be null. Initially this is null. Now first of all I have to go to that position. So how do you go to that position? I'll start from p while p is equal to not equal to p data not equal to position. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, so I will travel p is equal to pf next. And pf next not equal to null. So this also you have to check. Pf data is equal to position and pf next is equal to null, not null. Okay, so this is another case, okay, where pf data is equal to not position and pf next is equal to not null. So p is equal to pf next. Okay. Then you write if p is equal to not null, then you have to insert. Then pf next equal to temp and temp of next will be p dot next, else just write system dot out dot println position element position data not found. Okay, this is a special case. So p of next you do traverse till the end of null and p of next will null. Okay, so if p of data is equal to position, then it will stop there. Okay, then p of next will be temp, then temp of next will be p of next. So these two lines of code that will append our newly created node. Now temp next will be not null. Let us see this example and try to run this. Okay. Okay, now first of all I will try to create a list. Suppose 4, enter the value. Suppose 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now I have all the nodes with value 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose I want to insert after 3. So what should I call? I will call option 5. Okay, so the method must return a return type. Okay, let us see. Okay, system return start. If is not null, so let us see. Okay, let us create a node. How many nodes? Suppose 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what is 5? Inserting key after the element. Enter the key you want to insert. Suppose I want to insert 10. Enter the value which after the key will be inserted. Suppose that's it, that will be 3. So now the key has been inserted. Now I want to see the my list. Okay, so let us see. Let us see if there is some error. Okay, so our new list will be 2, 3. Okay, so there is some error in the program. Let us see. While p of data is not a position, p is equal to p of next, p is not done, p of next to temp, and temp of next to p is equal to start. This is the problem. Now node q is equal to suppose this will be p of next. Now p of next will be temp. Okay, then temp of next will be q. Let us run this one. Create a list. How many nodes in the list? 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Enter the choice 5. Enter the key and insert 10. Enter the element is 3. Okay, so now the problem has been resolved. So our newly linked list will be 2, 3, 10, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is our list, earlier list 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I say I want to insert the element that is 10 after 3. So 10 has been inserted after 3. Okay, so this is code to how to check how to insert an element at a position after the key. Now in the question there will be different type of position. I will say after start node insert 10, or at the third node after third node from the starting end, or after the third node starting from the rear end. So this is define your position in the question. In the exam, the question there will be different type positions. We have tried here a simple position defined by the value. I will say after this value or after this node I want to insert the key element. So I have to traverse that path and then I will insert there. Okay. And yes, this condition you have to check. Okay, P of data is not in position. This is the mandatory condition you have to check, and you have to check that P of next is not null. It has not reached the end of the node. So in the last node also we can check this condition will satisfy. Okay, or till last node it will check. If the search key is not found, then this simply it will print the position data not. Okay, so we can try out, and let us see any other question. Okay, this is a simple program for insert position. Now we will stop here and ask for doubt.